I was here, I tech in tree. So you say one subscribe to my YouTube channel. Na da kind I would share me videos are. But more than me a subscribe button so. Na after me a like so. Na adia ba ko hu hia pa say ube me a notification bell icon no what turn it on. So na be the video for be about you will be the first person to get it. And we a channel where so we talk a lot about IT and technology, modern technology. All right, so when you say Windows now we use no, and one kasa wo inbuilt virtual machine there. And one kasa wo computer, sa ka wo computer na ho dada. Na winning enti na ye behwe kwan a obefa so enya computer for wow computer na so. E wo mra onko install software bia. Na obi bi bisa sa adi na wo say nya virtual machine. E wo me computers. Yam fan is say what download the application be, what download the software be. Software no share and trust the software, but once all person we install the software. Now, so we install the software will main operating system that's why a bit to me antivirus. Antivirus will be to me a hacker. So in this case, now ya a very important so be your virtual machine. Will be to me a using our computer so. Now what to me they are getting rid of all these challenges. Now Windows are usually Windows 11. So we use Windows 10 that was able to me downloading or separately from Microsoft official website. So virtual machine way now Microsoft they can a Windows 11 hono. Your friend Sandbox. Your friend Sandbox. Now Sandbox we are there say a bon modern a create a virtual type of Windows now we use now. At the mouth, and with that kind of version at the bemano, ubetumi use no one the install software sa bia ti se ukonya software bi na say containing virus, ukonya software bi na say a containing malicious and BBC still you can try it on your own. Now bibi amuna ewo disadvantages e wasanimo. So we use Windows 11 basic and our Windows 11 Home, but you won't have access to a Sandbox now. But so we use Windows 11 Enterprise, Windows 11 Professional, Windows 11 Ultimate, Windows 11 Educational, and you ubenya a Sandbox no. I'm also going to be a virtual machine or a computer. So with no further ado, no, yes, I see. So let's get started. Before we get started, I will say who the kind of computer or so to do that in me starting so nabras settings. From settings you know bra asiepa we who about ewa me about so. Now umia about so bra this side or see Windows specification. Yeah, Windows specification virtual edition. Also me use Windows 11 Pro Education. Now, Windows 11 Pro Education, Bema access to get Sandbox or computer. So we use Enterprise, we use Professional, we use Ultimate. Those kind of versions, Bema come what you mean a virtual machine, or machine. So I won't download any third party software. But one of the disadvantages, and I say, so we use Windows 11 Home, you wouldn't be able to get access to these kind of features. And after so no any Windows 11 now use Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8, and others now. I'm sorry to tell you, say you have to download it from somewhere else. But if you are using Windows 11, then you are at the right place. You are good to go. All right. So since we are done with it, Yanko start. Now, yen search for Windows feature. And I said turn Windows feature. So turn Windows features on or off. You know, a baby way the amount miaso. Now, so when you miaso per, this is what you will see. Now, you have to consider right here. Scroll it down pa. Ubon say you Windows Sandbox or ya on taking say take it. Or take it we are afe braso. A virtual machine platform way so say ya on take it. Eye way so say ya on take ya but more than a take account. Now we are I was say umia okay. Now the moment I'll be mia okay no ebeka show say ebese a restart your computer no na install a updates no like those features na they can Windows na them out. Don't worry, manin wie na restart the computer no. Now after that there's all restart the computer ni nya wie pe. Afi bra start. Oba start be search for Sandbox. Now ube hu bibi to say Windows Sandbox. But more than me so. The moment I'll be me so no ebe launch a new Windows a new virtual machine ɛwɔ wankasa computer no so wɔ mmerɛ you wouldn't even have to worry about say bia wokɔ download it bia wo need data wo need internet but you still want to try some softwares out so this is it say ɛna Windows Sandbox net here create a different version of Windows at the amount say and I'll be hono you can see some or recycle bin waha. And you can see it's made to me so I browse it for some files and folders. And one of the interesting thing about this is say empono say what downloads are when you're wire the downloads now you wouldn't be able to see it. It's like a new fresh computer you have on your computer. You understand? And yet the same war computer for phobia a war computer so yeah so opese we use Google Chrome any other I mean the opese we be which me use which may be a browser or visit or downloading the opese will download the so opese we Google you can just go to google.com na to me a be at the amount na bibia so to me I come pa say ya pepe net ya be musu with me in the full screen we in the full screen a bit to me maximize full screen pepe the amount and you can see and yes slow and you before you risk your computer to do any fancy thing try as much as possible to use a virtual machine which is Sandbox to do this before you can actually make it happen. And one disadvantage thing I want to tell you is with this virtual machine the moment you click on this close I can't say much or say are you sure you want to close Windows Sandbox? Once Windows Sandbox is closed all of your contents will be discarded and permanently lost. So this is actually telling you say bibia obey no habia no. So when you close to virtual machine way now you wouldn't be able to reverse it back again. It's like one time thing. We'll be using it once and so ain't using the BM. So you have to get it, take a good note of that. But apart from that, you can use it as you want to use your normal computer for anything. All right, so let's quickly close it. Right. I was going to me sure say by now there you won't send ya ubesi fenya virtual machine. Ewo wankasa computer so mra won konko install any third party system bia ewo computer ne so. All right. Until then, when you say won't subscribe to YouTube channel, send a bear yedi new update bia ba no. On sanso ebetumi aka say when you say o question bia leave your comment section na say wo bibia pese ye kasa fa ho leave your comment section na say na your fan bro. Until then, no, adios.